Go ahead.
Awesome! I got the same thing. Wait. Okay. Probably got another one. No! No way! Oh, you got the squirrel head. I got the square and the... Oh, the big one. Yes! 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 Yes!
What'd y'all get? Oh my gosh. Caleb? Oh my goodness.
No way! You like my gun better, huh? No, it's cool. Oh, my leg.
What's wrong with your leg?
Here comes the stickers. You can put stickers on it.
Okay, can I go back to bed?
No. No! They're going to help me decorate one of these.
I don't want to help decorate nothing.
Come on, Santa. You have to tape it. Yeah, Santa. Why'd you have to tape it? Well, I think I know why. Because maybe it was cold outside and the wind was blowing a different way and it opened the stuff so he taped it. Oh, wait! I got the laser. No way, mine doesn't want to come out because it's supposed to. Oh, wait, you got it on.
What was Santa thinking?
The biggest milk gun I ever got. This is the biggest thing I ever got. I already know how to use one of these. My friend got one. It needs batteries though. I think mine does too.
What, does Santa bring batteries?
No. I was supposed to make you that Christmas gift today. See, the Dodgers full auto milk plastic. I was supposed to make you a Christmas present today. I have the stuff, but I can't make it. I didn't make it yesterday, so I'm gonna make it today. Thank you, Santa. You opened it already up, so I can get the whole thing out. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's not.